I'll be showing the new raise hand feature in Microsoft Teams. So I'm going to join a meeting and just by myself to start to show the hand itself. Here's the floating toolbar, and there's this new button called raise your hand. When I click this, this signals to the teacher or the organizer that my hand is digitally raised. And I'll show what that looks like in just a second from the other side. So I can raise my hand digitally to signal a question. And if I want to lower my hand, I click this again and it turns it off. So now let's switch into a classroom and see how that looks. Okay, so now I'll be joining the call. Hey class, it's great to see you. All this vibrant color. Yeah, this is wonderful. Hey, so everyone, today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about that great Flipgrid assignment that I gave out last night. Now, I don't want everyone to answer at once. We're going to be using the new raise hand feature. So I'd like you to raise your hand if you want to tell me all about your Flipgrid assignment. So use that raise hand feature. Oh, I see all these hands here. Okay, let's say, Anne, I'd like you to tell us about our Flipgrid assignment.
Oh, you know I love going into a Flipgrid topic and always getting to see my friends' smiles and hearing about their awesome learning adventures.
Thanks, Anne. That was great. How about one more? I see Mr. Adam Short Shorts. You have your hand up.
I love connecting with all of you on Flipgrid and doing, dialogue when it's convenient for us, but I especially love being live with you all right here, and this view is so cool.
Thanks, Adam. Hey, thanks, class. This has been great to see you all. Bye-bye.
Bye, Mr. T.